Hey guys, in this video we are going to be talking about Turbo Ad Finder, which is basically an extension for Facebook. So the way you get it is you go here to Google, type in Turbo Ad Finder, and it's here. It's a Chrome extension. Let's make sure. Perfect. This is the Chrome extension here. So here you would go ahead and add it, but we already have it on our Chrome, which is right here. So that's why it says add it to Chrome. But you would just come here. This is actually 100% free. You have to pay nothing for it, and it's a really good extension to have. So the way it works is you would go onto your Facebook store. The first thing you want to do is make sure that your ad blocker is turned off, at least on Facebook. So yeah, on this page I have it turned off. You would click here on the extension and turn it on. And basically what this extension does is that it takes out every single organic post that you see, and it only shows you sponsored posts so that you can start seeing other people's posts, sponsored posts. So I'm going to go ahead and start scrolling down. Whoops. Stop scrolling down. Start scrolling down here to get more. And now we just scroll. We scroll and we try to find products that are selling on Facebook. So here we're getting a lot of ads, course ads. So we have Alex Becker, Russell Brunson, Wells Fargo ad, some app called Shogun. Also, I'm looking for products to sell though. And guys, the way that you would train your Facebook to show you more products is by liking pages that sell products. So, for example, by liking Phone BB or by going on their page, going through the checkout process. And here I'm actually getting this ad because I was on Paris Hilton's page. This looks like a retargeting ad actually. And sometimes it does this. It's having trouble finding them right now. So we just wait a little bit. Let's see. Found an Apple one. Another Alex Becker one, another Wells Fargo one. So yeah, guys, you can just stay here until it gives you products, and when it gives you a product, you would look at their engagement, at their comments, see if they're still selling it, go on the product page, basically do the same steps that we, oh look, a gambling one. The same steps that we did in the last video when we were talking about Commerce Inspector. See, still no product ads. Anyways, guys, I'm gonna go ahead. I'm just gonna cut this video off here. You guys kind of get the point of how this app works. Just make sure, I guess I haven't been doing it in a while. Make sure that you guys are liking pages that are selling products so that you can get the ads here. Apparently, I haven't been liking enough pages because I have not been getting any ads here. I saw Shopify. Let's see. Oh no, I don't know where it is now. Muse. Muse teaches. Well, I guess here, this is a product. But it looks like something that's branded that we can't sell. Let's keep going. Alright guys, I did a refresh here just to see if it would find any product ads, but it's just, well here, Amazon, these are products, but I wouldn't go based on that. This is a product that I've seen, the neck hammock or the neck swing. This is actually a really cool product, but it doesn't have that many comments or anything, so I wouldn't go for that one. What is this? Do you want shoppers? No, that's an app. Here we go. Finally found a product. Custom watch. Ionic. It's called Design Your Custom Mechanical Watch. Looks like they are not drop shipping though. Let's go ahead and check them out anyways. We click on their link here. It does look like a Shopify store. I don't know why it's not lighting up. Nope, it's not a Shopify store. It's pretty cool though. Okay, let's go ahead and go back. Let's see guys, I'm going to scroll a little bit more, but if we don't see anything, I'm going to go ahead and end this video now. You guys get the point though. Hopefully you guys are liking a lot of pages that sell products so that when things pop up here, you can get products instead of all this stuff that I'm getting. Yeah, so we're not getting any products here. All right, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and end this video here. Just make sure before you get this app that you are liking pages that are selling products. So, for example, go on Phone BB, go on Dude Gadgets, on a whole mess of the big Shopify stores, and just go ahead and like their page. Go through their product pages, check out, like do get an abandon a cart so you can get retargeted, do all that stuff. And when you use this app, it should show you all of the ads that they're running so that you can see what videos they're using, the ad copies that they're using, and the type of engagement that they're getting. Sorry. All right, guys. See you guys in the next one. Bye.